Nagluluto ako ng ground beef. Yun, nilagyan ko ng 2 pieces of laurel. Ito is lemongrass. Then 4 pieces cloves. And onion and black pepper. Wait ko lang to na ma-drain yung ano niya, water. Tapos isunod ko yung iba pa na ilalagay ko dito. Waiting lang ko ng mga 10 minutes. Na-drain na yung water. I put few waters for cooking lang. Then after, I need to wait. Nalagyan ko siya ng konti lang. I put beef cubes because this is a ground beef. I wait when it's melted. Then after, I put the onion and the capsicum and finish. Ilagay ko na yung capsicum, red onion, and this is onion also. Pero yung merong dahon. Ayun. And I mix together. Na-mix ko na. Lagay ko na yung dahon ng onion ko.